So today we have enrichment camps happening. So enrichment camps have been established just for that same purpose, enrichment of skills and different concepts that they've learned throughout the year.
It's a way to get our students to continue coming to school in the summer, engaging them in fun activities, and so that they can continue with that educational and fun setting throughout the summer.
I know this last year these last 2 years have been a little bit difficult with the pandemic, and so a lot of us didn't have opportunities to experience the different types of clubs and organizations that are offered in our district, and this gives them a chance to do it. It's there's no stakes involved. It's just having fun and getting some foundational knowledge on things that you might want to pursue later on.
I'm thankful that they're able to send their children and that PSJ is able to provide this for the parents and also, most importantly, for the students. I believe it's very beneficial for them. I hope it continues, that PSJ is able to offer this for years to come.
I hope more students come. We have very fun and engaging activities.